visual search has been around for a number of years and is a part of several popular search engines and social media platforms, including Pinterest, Snapchat, Amazon, Google, and it continues to grow. One of the studies found that an average person has the ability to recall 65% of visual content they see almost after 3 days. And also, have you guys noticed how many ads we see per day? Think. An average person sees around 5,000 ads per day. Hi everyone, this is Shiv Gupta, and today in this video I'm going to talk about what visual search is and how you can use it to grow your business. Simply speaking, visual search focuses on using the images and helps in promoting the online searches of products by the consumers. AI can help us in this process as they are going to generate the buying options of either that specific product or similar looking products. And this especially helps when the customers are at the product discovery process, where customers become impatient and can get irritated for coming across relevant searches. Visual search technology has become so important that it is expected to have a huge impact on e-commerce marketing, and not only by changing the way customers shop for visual products online, but also in a way it can increase customer experience and expectations. Visual search is an artificial intelligence technology that allows the users to conduct an internet search using a picture rather than typing. Like here, when a picture is clicked of this lady's red heels, it redirects towards the website from which the heels can be bought. Plus, there is a sale going on the website. How crazy is that? This is different from conducting an image search in which the user type a text-based query into Google, clicks on the image tab and scrolls through pictures that the search engine has compiled as the best visual match. Instead, a visual search begins with the photograph and uses neurotechnology to extract the information, taking into account the shape, color, and the size of the image. The user is then served with the exact object or place that was being searched, or whatever is most similar to it. If you are looking for the right style of home decor, a dress for a special event, or a data or a location you have found yourself in, visual search is the most efficient tool you can use. For example, I saw this chair at some place and really liked it and wanted to buy it. That's when I clicked its pic, and there were the options available in different colors, and plus I got some discount offers to avail from. Do you guys know that 90% of the information received by our brain is visual? So sometimes the words can fail us when we are trying to accurately describe something we see. That is why visual search is so powerful, and that is why the world's biggest companies are investing heavily in it. Now let's move forward and talk about how you can use it to grow your business. Number one, raising digital transformation expectations. Think of the best digital experience you have ever had. It can be when you were shopping on an e-commerce site and found a great product for an amazing price and paid using your thumbprint. Or perhaps you checked into your hotel room online and used your phone as a digital key, and now you compare every business digital experience to it. That is exactly what visual search is going to do for your business, whether you use it or not. It is astounding how quickly customers' expectations change, right? Today, we just expect to be able to find products using images. According to Accenture, 69% of young shoppers prefer to purchase based on visual orientation searches. The main reason for this can be that visual searches allow customers to find exactly what they are looking for 5 times faster than the text-based searches. Now, number 2 on the list is social influencer optimization. Today, the use of influencers within the retail industry is increasing day by day. In fact, according to Retail Dive, 91% of luxury brands reported are using influencers, followed by active wear at 84% and beauty brands at 83%, and the visual search can help the influencers too. How? At the moment, social influencers tend to post about a specific piece they are wearing and ask the users to buy that single piece on the retailer's site. Visual search can prompt customers to buy more from the retailer in two new ways. First, a visual search can scan the picture of the influencer and tag the pieces of the outfit by type. Users can then search each type of outfit to get the full look. To put it simply, you could invest in influencer marketing to sell one piece to a customer, price at $60, or you could make the whole outfit shoppable and sell $250 worth of products. Secondly, users may like the outfit someone's wearing but want other similar options. Visual search can allow them to search in the same genre of outfits, opening customers to a much wider array of buying options. Like here, just by scanning the photo of an influencer, you got the results about the dress she's wearing. The third is the rise of the shoppable content. Think for a second about the old times when we used to buy ad space in the hard copy of a magazine. You would ask the salesperson how many people are going to see this ad, and they respond with how many copies they sell or distribute, but they can't exactly be sure. This seems weird now when we are in such a space in which we can buy an online ad and accurately know how many visitors saw it, clicked on it, purchased a product as a result of the ad. Like how here Google is showing the shopping option for the amazing red dress. Almost like years ago, companies spent millions of dollars on physical ads they couldn't really track, but markets got wise and found a way to get better ROI. Now you can easily track how many people viewed the web page, how long they stayed on it, and what page they clicked on next. But the question is, how can you track the value of your content? This is why all the content needs to be shoppable. By including some of the nice and elegant images into the content that then is going to direct the users to the product they want to buy, your content literally come to life. Ultimately, visual search can help your team to see the true impact of content you produce. In this another example, we can see more shoppable content coming our way while surfing Instagram. These are some very nice black check shoes. The fourth is the impact on SEO. SEO is a type of work that needs to be done carefully. Visual search can help marketers work in a smarter way on their optimization. The technology features deep tagging, an image to text feature that tags images automatically and makes them interpretable for search engines like Google, as well as textual search engine or websites. Deep tagging can create a rich set of tags for an image within just a few milliseconds. This makes the textual search more strong. Up until now, search engines were not able to break what actually appeared on an image and needed real people to create tags for every image. This was limiting in a lot of ways. For one, different people can write different tags for the image. Additionally, because manual tagging can be time-taking, it's easy for marketers to only write what they feel at the most important tags and let go the elaborate tags. Using the power of visual search, your images are now SEO ready, can be interpreted by textual search engines, and most importantly, can be discovered by the customers easily. The fifth one is giving customers what they didn't know they wanted. When talking about the invention of the car, Henry Ford famously said, "If I had asked people what they wanted, they would have said faster horses." This quote, while over 100 years old, has never been more relevant than in today's time. Customers are using visual search because they are looking for inspiration. This means they want to be told what they want. Doing so comes in the form of truly analyzing what customers are searching for and using AI to serve up the most similar products or even complementary ones. This scenario beautifully sums up the future of marketing. Visual search can have an impact that goes well beyond what it was originally desired to do. Whether or not the visual search is right for your marketing roadmap, I hope that these insights about technology are going to inspire you to use more visual shoppable content in your customer journey and contribute to perfect and reperfect your customer experience. If you guys are going to apply these things, then they can help you to grow your business as well. So with this, we have come to the end of this video. I'm going to see you in next one. Until then, keep moving forward. Bye bye.